Well, it's like it's, it's like gas or oil or something.
How does it work? The bottom part's moving? What's moving? No, no. There's a cable.
The cable's down to there.